How are you? I got this idea to upcycle a blazer into a bomber style jacket. So that's what we're gonna do today. This is the blazer in question. So I want to use this sweater for the band. I love this sweater. I love stripes. Let's get into it. So the first thing I want to do is to crop this. I think I'm gonna go until this first button. The patterns match on both sides, so I'm gonna cut along the line of the print. Separated. There she is, a cropped blazer. Okay, so along here, if we refer back to the sketch, I'm gonna add this piece there. And we're gonna use the bottom of the blazer that we just cut off. And I want, this is gonna be part of the band at the bottom, so it's gonna be sewn. I've said gonna how many times? So it's going to be attached, there we go, going to be. So it's going to be attached to this elastic. It's so gorgeous. So gorgeous. So I need to figure out how thick I want the band to be. Is a 5-inch band sufficient? Or do we do 6? 6 is quite gorgeous, isn't it? 6 it is. Going to mark 6.5 using our handy dandy.
Handy dandy?
Chalk. How wide? I think I'll do 4. Mark 4.5. Up next, I'm gonna measure along the width along the entirety of the blazer from this end to that end. I'm gonna see how much I'm gonna take away from that measurement for the band. I'm going to -4. I love this sweater. When I got it, I wore it a lot. It's ripped along the top, and you can see there where I tried to mend that rip. Like it just ripped like straight down, and I haven't worn it in a while. She is making the plunge into a new life. So I've matched this up with this, and from this black stripe to this white stripe is about the same length. It's gonna be a double, so the band is gonna be folded over. Which is gonna be folded like this and attached to this.
Diagram showing how to find the length of knit you need to cut. To get the length of the knit part of the band, you start with the length of the bottom part of the blazer. This is measurement A. I minused 4 inches from this measurement because I wanted a cinched band. This measurement is the length of the band, also known as measurement B. Measurement B, that is the length of the band, includes the 2 tabs on the ends of the band. Therefore, to get the length of the knit portion of the band, you need to minus the combined length of these 2 tabs from measurement B. Example, if the length of the bottom of the blazer is 50 inches. This is measurement A. 50 inches minus 4 inches equals 46 inches. This is measurement B. The length of each tab is 4.5 inches. Therefore together they are 9 inches. 46 inches minus 9 inches is 37 inches. Therefore the knit portion of the band needs to be 37 inches.
Gonna sew that together. on either end and get back to you. I've serged the seam before we attach this band to its top half. I want to secure this seam towards the blazer portion of the band. It gives it a finish that I like. So I don't know how well this will pick up on the camera. If I put this seam allowance towards the sweater side, it creates a raise on that side. I don't know, can you? It's raised on this side. I don't want that. It's not the worst thing in the world, but I would like the raise to be on the blazer side.
I'm doing this so that the blazer portion of the band sits on top of the sweater portion. I like that look more than the other way round.
Done. Separated the front from the back a little bit. Ooh.
Doing this all along the bottom of the jacket. Mark midpoint on band and blazer.
So front of the band facing the front of the jacket. Match up the end, the middle, and the other end. And then fit the rest to the band. Band is sewn to the front of the jacket. So now to do the other side. I'm really hoping I can show this well on camera. Okay, so what you're looking at is the front. If I turn this over, this is the back of the band. Now, this is the inside of the jacket, the lining. You see them? Did you see what I did? I'm going to match them. And pin. I've pinned it that way on the edge. I've pinned it in the middle and on the other end. And as you can see, the rest of the jacket is stuffed in there. We're gonna pin all of this together. And when we sew, we're gonna leave a hole where we can pull the jacket out. That's what it looks like. It looks like a snake that's digesting something. So there's a little hole. Just gonna grab the sleeve and pull through. Just gonna pull through. Snip it through. Bring it out. You don't get stuck. And there we go. She's out. She is free. And now that little hole, we hand sew her. Not gonna do that on camera. I'm gonna use ladder stitch. Sewing these in by hand.
Bye, have a great time.